Good people, don't let them be no bad people. Good people, don't let them be no bad people. Let the simple man be simple. Let the humble man be humble. Let the good people be good. Let the good people be good. Good people, don't let them be no bad people. Good people, don't let them be no bad people. But who can stand aggression all life long and never get aggressive? And who can stand to be taken advantage of all times and never say a word? Good people, don't let them be no bad people. Good people, don't let them be no bad people. But now you see the good man cooling out. Don't even try to hurt him. You see him smiling face, you better respect him. Good people, don't let them be no bad people. I hear them say goodness they want in town. How good you feel, goodness is all around. But now you see the good man cooling out. Don't even try to hurt him. Good people, don't let them be no bad people. Good people, don't let them be no bad people. But who can stand aggression all life long and never get aggressive? Surely not I know. And who can stand to be taken advantage of all times and never say a word? No, I know. Surely not even the good people, good as I am, can stand to be in oppression all life long and never say a thing. I won't stand oppression. Good people, don't let them be no bad people. Good people, don't let them be no bad people. Good people.
I need you.
I want to share the component. I want to share the components of love with you universally. Without love, without the components of love. I want to share the components of love with you. 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 I'm not talking about no fantasy. I'm not talking about no ignorancy. I'm not talking about true liberty. Your life guarantee. One you see. Share the components of love with you. Share the components of love with you. I'm not talking about the kindness of hearts. I'm not talking about the goodness of thoughts. Caring and sharing too. Share the components of love with you. Share the components of love with you. Share the components, love with you. Without love, what would this world be? The kindness of heart, no love can we see. Without the goodness of thoughts, what kind of love would there ever be? Share the components, love with you. Share the components of love with you. Where everyone can be fed, where everyone can be cared for. Oh, life worth living, much more than dying for. Oh, with this love components, we need no war. Share the components, love with you. Share the components, love with you. Share the components, love with you. Everyone, you need these components in your life. No, 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 no. No need to sacrifice. Share the components, love with you. Share the components, love with you.
Well, it's like living life is a sickness, you know. Some people just throw out their timing. They don't want we to chant Rastafari name. They don't want we to sing Jehovah name. Creating sickness, tell me what is this? Ebola virus killing off with a quickness. As we bear witness, Babylon's hit list. A taking time bomb, tick tock tock, tick tick. I see them preying on the innocent and weak. Society and media ignorance, them a teach. Them want we fi bleach and change up we speech. Control all we thoughts and then tie we to a leash. When we see them shooting and polluting, black people in the street we see them murdering. Michael Brown, young Trayvon Martin. No longer are we people, we are all victims in this system designed to keep us in the struggle. Though it's a fight, no Rasta stay humble. Now if they get mixed up in them dirty bungle, Rasta will survive because we born in a struggle. They don't want we to chant Rastafari name. Show them what we see down in our life and deal with strife. And deal with everything them know not right. No want we to sing Jehovah name. Then together we aspire and and together we achieve. Together in this world, yes, we will succeed. Coming with this new scientific education. Can't teach about Marcus Mosiah, Nelson Mandela, and Mr. Robert Nesta. Malcolm X say by any means necessary. Martin Luther King said non-violence is the remedy today. What should be simplicity is now all a rat race reality. So hard for us to unite and come together, when in the future we will be all one color, one race, one people, all of one nature. Why can't we come together, preserve this future? One British and Rastafari name. Show them what we see down in our life and deal with strife, and give away everything them know not right. One British sing Jehovah's name. Then together we aspire and together we achieve. Together in this world, yes, we will succeed.
Political campaign down the road. Politicians on pulpit speaking. So many of them say they care for the poor, and still they leave the poor homeless and hungry. So many of them say they care for the alone, and still they leave the alone lonely. And so they say they will help the weak, and still they leave the weak and weary. And so they say they need to make you strong, making you strong only if you can be their servant. The humble and the kind heart, they are ready to captivate upon, to use them and abuse them. But so I see who are the liars, false promisers, these politicians. Political campaign, sender of bad wishes that could never be a good thing, could never be a guiding star. And so they say they care for the blind, and still all they do is lead the blind astray. And as a sleeping lion, get awake, because capitalists are here to captivate. And if you give them the lie, they'll drive you crazy, leading the world into a political tragedy. Political so many of them say they care for the poor, and still they leave the poor homeless and hungry. So many of them say they care for the alone, and still they leave the alone lonely. And so they say they care for the weak, and they leave the weak and weary. So they say they want to make you strong. They want to make you their servant. The humble and the kind heart, they are ready to captivate and use and abuse. But so I see who is a liar, political vampire, sucking the blood, sending bad wishes that could never be a guiding star. And so the blind, they say they will lead, and still they lead the blind astray. You're a sleeping lion, wake up, because the capitalists are here to captivate. Capitalists are here to captivate. If you leave them captivate on your mind, they will drive you crazy, sucking your blood and leaving you weak and weary. So many say they are here to care for the poor, still they leave the poor homeless and hungry.
Adam Weishaupt, a Jesuit-trained professor of canon law, well-versed in the occult, formed a new secret organization that would unite all the secret societies
Political campaign.
for an unthinkable purpose, to gain complete control over the world and its resources and to achieve total domination of its people. Weishaupt euphemistically described it as a new world order that will be used to accomplish his dark goal of total world domination.
You see right now, now gonna make you know who is responsible for all the wickedness, the suffering, the wars, the rumors of wars who are going on in the earth right now. Some guys is part of the J7, the AEI, the CIA, the FBI. Yo, the Illuminati, we come to kill Illuminati. Going to make you know their plans and schemes. So, you know, these white, right-wing, conservative politicians, they write the policies, they make the decisions. Leading a crusade like European inquisitions. Ultimate goal, imperial expansion. Priceless artifacts, hanging in a mansion. Might is right, you can't touch them with sanctions. No ICC can bring justice for the actions, but they condemn me cause I bomb my reaction. Me prefer for them freed and for under occupation of these Christian and civilized barbarians. Looking to conquer like the mighty Athenians, Spartans, Romans, Hitlers, Napoleons. To the east and west, their armies go to and fro like the wind blow. Their empires grow how large, me don't know, but because I speak out, I am on death row like 90% of the Negro behind a glass window saying hello. I hear all the bad news on the radio, garbage music and stereo. The kids are about, so I got to play. Don't want to make a him, don't want to make a hope. Going to make a brave woman, going to make a hero. Just stand up for them rights and just say no. Build great cities in the ghetto, universities, colleges where wisdom flow. A big museum with history and show. Sculptures, paintings, row by row. Whatever you try, it shall be so. Maybe not today, but tomorrow. So never give up, keep looking up. Although we know that the system corrupt. Get up, stand up, don't you shut up.
Need not to come around here with your war and violence. It's a moment of total tranquility, and our creatures are worthy of living. Hey, don't come around here with your war and violence. I've got a moment just to let life be, as far as eyes can see. Smiling faces all around, no more unhappy faces. And all young to be fed, no more brothers killing brothers, I said. No more hate and greed and unhappiness, no more war, no more distress. And I don't want to live in a land where war and violence is taking control. I don't want to live in a land where war and violence is taking control. Oh, let the river flow and let the trees grow and let the birds fly high in the skies and let the children play in the garden and let the old walk until they are young again, and so they tell all the stories of life. I too, dear friend, I don't want to live in a land where war and violence is taking control. I don't want to live in a land where war and violence is taking control. Hand in hand, care and care, share and share, and everyone can live around here. So I don't want to live in a land where war and violence is taking control. I don't want to live in a land where war and violence is taking control. So hey, don't come around here with your war and violence. I've got a moment just to let life be. As far as I can see, smiling faces all around. No more happy faces. No longer be fed. No more brothers, I said. Killing brothers, I said. No more hate and greed and unhappiness. No more war. No more distress. So I don't want to live in a land where war and violence is taking control. I don't want to live in a land where war and violence is taking control. Oh, let the rivers flow and let the trees grow and let the birds fly high in the sky and let the children play in the garden and let the old walk until they are young again, and so they tell all the stories of life. And once again, I choose be a friend. I learn. I don't
The pleasures of life will get you down. The pleasures of life will knock you out. The pleasures of life will knock you cold. The pleasures of life is big and bold. Just be cool and be wise. Let no one trick you into following disguise. Play along sometimes, though I will not go very far. This is so serious, it's going to leave a scar. Those are the ones who have chosen that destination, thinking about vanity and get a 649. The pleasures of life will get you down. The pleasures of life will knock you out. Yeah, now I know this is the time to make up your mind. I know it's not the end. Life is still here, my friend. The pleasures of life is in your way. The pleasures of life are here to stay. The pleasures of life will knock you cold. The pleasures of life is big and bold. Just you be cool and be wise. Fret not thyself because of evildoers. This is the time to be conscious. Create now. Life is too rough and too serious. Cry pantaba cry, managin no lie. Funny how the tables turn, as some man get red-eyed. Come with them polyflicks, who no have no poly tricks, who no in a this, in a that. Anytime they're ready, we go chat. I know this is the time to make up your mind. I know it's not the end. Life is
without is life, and neither killing or dying is of life. People are shot and people lie. People are shot and people lie. Now when one person kill one person, that person did not kill that person. That person would not die. Now you can't kill more for less to live. You rather kill less for more to live. People are shot, people lie. People are shot, people lie. Take a look up the road and take a look down the road. Take a look in the past and take a look where I go on. Take a look over there and take a look over here. Take a look in the past. Take a look where I go on. What people do make things happen. People are shot and people lie. People are shot and people lie. But no one should die, because you can't kill for what you can't live without, and you can't die for what you can't live without. What you can't live without is life, and neither killing or dying is of life. A people are shot, people lie. A people are shot, people lie. Now when one person kill one person, that person did not kill that person. That person would have died. Now you can't kill more for less to live. You have to kill less for more to live. People are shot, people lie. People are shot, people lie. Now the rain is falling, I have no roof over my head. Still I am living, and I am strong. I am as a warrior on the battlefield. No hitch, no pain I can feel. I remember home, but home is where I am. Got to be well equipped, even without money in my hand. Who could get up and start running? Still, where would I run to? Still, here I am. I am here. I home is in Iman. I house belong to I, in which there is out on the countryside. But I am here, where I reside, is I home. That's where I was. Right here. That's where I am. That's where I stay. Now I am on the battlefield. How could I stop blood from running? I need not to laugh. I need not to cry. Now the rain is falling. No roof over my head. Still I'm living and I am strong. Still I'm living and I am strong. I am as a warrior on the battlefield. No itch, no pain I can feel. I remember home, but home is where I am. Got to be willing and equipped, even without money in my hand. I could get up and start running. Still, where would I run to? Still, here I am. I home is in Iman. I house I belong. To I is the countryside. It's where I am. That's where I was. That's where I am. But now I am on the battlefield. How could I stop blood from running? I need not to laugh. I need not to cry. Now the rain is falling. No roof over my head. still am living and I am strong.
Yeah, this Selassie, I conquering lion of the tribe of Judah. So, we are going to take it to the future. Uplift them youth. Yeah. Back to my lines, thinking those are good times. Where I kick back, smoked out, watching cars roll by. British link up straight back to sunrise. Benz and Bimmers, they excite the whole of the young youth's eye. See myself behind the wheel, holding on to the steed. Just my trade, ache to win, my best to keep it real. No CDs on the street to make the kids scream. Late coming from Skateland, thinking about my dream. Speaking to my two-man teams, and if I get one chance, you know that's all we need. Kick this door in, start flying, and we never stop soaring. Tell me, can you hear these lions as they're roving? Then it's back to the lane, and it's the domino game. Who's that and who's not, and who's cool and who's lame? Coke, smoke, mix up enough for the youths, them brains. For me, no possibility, I seen them broke those chains.
If you look and you search, you will find it. Back to my line, article and needle, you might know where to find me.
Back to my lines where thugs cock nines, pop nines, and bust slugs that take lives. Dangerous bus rise. You see my shoes, youth like trying to bother scuff mine. Tough talking, tough times, yeah. Defend your talk, shut your mouth until such times as you can never ban. Since I was a prince, though, living like a pauper. Flip the faucet, make the funds flow like water. Water, future of my daughter, the author of the furious freestyle rhymes combines with the family as we go back to my lines where the females are fly. Got you free in the cool around year to year. It's still open season pan. The grades that we buy on the block, it's the highest of the high. Rasta youth raising high.
Look and you search, you will find it. Back to my lines. If you're hurt and need help, then you know where to find me. Back to my lines. If you look and you search, you will find it. Back to my lines. Article and need help, then you know where to find me.
Back to my lines, road as a youth I didn't know the way to go. In time I grow like the mango trees that I see in the park. Morton Park, Tasha Park, Waltham Park. Just no shadow after dark, things off the start when the sun set. To start a riot, all a quiet nigga need is wanted. Some wars going on far too long and still not done yet. Check it out through the stats, add it up to the mats. Afro braids are plaits, too many niggas drop. Man, I eat man food like snacks. Come to find the crime is all black and black. Poor people living in shacks. While some crooked cops are bust shots. And some big cats itch and scratch. I learned the game over time. See what a young mind became. All the same, walk while you're trying to dirty up my name. Go inside or every side. Get wet when it rains. Back on my lines. Well, I wonders and signs. In these times, listen.
If you look and you search, you will find it. Back to my line. If you hurt and need help, then you know where to find me. Back to my line. If you look and you search, you will find it. Back to my line. Article and need help, then you know where to find me.
Yeah man, my lines road, you know the code. Rewind or reload. Royal African soldiers. Watch the saga unfold.
Tried it one away, with no friend from them. One away from them. Yo,
are so hypocritical in their movements, yes. Smile in your face and stab you in your back when you walk away. They only come around in false pretense. Oh, what a sin thing, yes. But they want to see I drop down a dirty ground, so they all can grin. That's why one away pan them. Yo, yes I tried it one away. With no friend from them. Yo, one away from them. Yo, I tried it one away. Nah beg no friend from them. Yo, they will look right in your eyes and tell you pure lies, trying to deceive you to win your confidence. Them think man have no sense, no. With them envy, bad mind and grudgefulness of your wickedness. Go away from me, you are my enemy. Ooh, yeah. That's why one away on them. Yo, yes I tried it one away. With no friend from them. No way. One away from them. Yo, I tried it one away. Now beg no friend from them. No way. I true. Whoa. I true. Whoa. I true. They are so hypocritical in their movements, yes. Smile in your face and stab you in your back when you walk away. They only come around in false pretense. Oh, what a sin thing, yes. For they want to see I drop down a dirty ground, so they all can grin. One away pan them. Show. Yes, I tried it one away. With no friend from them. No way. No. One away pan them. Yo. I tried it one away. Me not beg no friend from them. No way. One away pan them. One away, yeah. One away. With no friend from them. No way.
Things I have learned, I will teach unto others. When there is no one there for you, be there for yourself. See there is no company for you, be a company for yourself. See if there is no one staying close to you, you stay close to yourself. See if there is no one staying close to you, you stay close to yourself. See if there is no one to make you happy, be happy for yourself. See if there is no one being good to you, be good to yourself. Let no one change you, only you can change yourself. I tell you. See if there is no one to live for you, you must live for yourself. See if there is no one loving you, you love yourself. for yourself. Seeing there is no one to pay you, you must pay yourself. Seeing there is no one to trust you trust yourself. Your greatest to you must always be yourself.